I recently ordered this large printer stand. We're in the process of redoing our home office area and we have this beast of a printer. So this is definitely a business size printer. So it was not super easy to find a shelf that would fit it. So finding this, I'm really happy with. So I like the way it has that rustic industrial look. I feel like it blends in with our other desk really well. It took me about 25 minutes to put it together, and I am not a whiz at putting stuff together, so very easy. It comes optional. You could put wheels on the bottom here. I chose not to, so you'll get two choices. You can either do these, the non-movable bottom, or the wheels. You can also change the level of the shelf. So you see this right here, I could have moved this one up. So you can kind of, and same with this, you could space it apart differently. You don't have to do it exactly how I did it, but I just liked it because for us, we needed the printer obviously at the top, and then I wanted a place for to store our paper, and then I'm still deciding what I'm gonna put on this bottom shelf, but I just wanted it to be tall enough to, to fit a reasonable amount of stuff. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a great printer shelf that's going to look nice, adjustable, wheels or no wheels, I'm glad we found this one.